Hello everyone. In this video, we will talk about a very interesting and important topic, motivation and the ways we can earn money. There is no magical formula for earning money, but with discipline, creativity, and a clear plan, you can achieve great results. In a world where financial struggles are common, many people find themselves seeking ways to earn more without sacrificing the lifestyle they desire. There's often the misconception that achieving financial success means dedicating long hours to work, enduring stress, or giving up the things we enjoy. However, the truth is, you don't need to sacrifice your happiness to earn money. In fact, you can build a lifestyle that not only supports your passions but also creates opportunities to increase your wealth in ways that feel natural and rewarding. Making money doesn't have to come from a rigid 9-to-5 job or from giving up your dreams. The key lies in aligning your passions, time, energy, and decisions in ways that open the door to earning opportunities. With the right approach, you can design a life that fuels both your personal fulfillment and your financial growth. This guide will walk you through practical steps that will help you earn money while staying true to your passions, values, and lifestyle goals. By the end, you'll realize that achieving financial success doesn't require compromising on what you love. It's all about integrating your passions with smart strategies for making money. The journey to financial success begins with aligning your daily choices with your goals. How you manage your time, energy, and resources can create sustainable opportunities for earning money. When your choices reflect your passions, it's easier to find joy in the work you do while earning the income you deserve.
Managing your personal finances. The first step towards earning money. The foundation of making more money begins with managing your finances properly. If you don't have a solid understanding of your current financial situation, it's difficult to build wealth. Therefore, the first step to making money is to create a healthy financial foundation. Start by creating a clear budget that tracks both your income and expenses. Take the time to review where your money is going and identify areas where you can cut back. Simple changes, like reducing discretionary spending or eliminating unnecessary subscriptions, can free up money that could be put towards savings or investments. Next, focus on building savings. Having an emergency fund or savings for future goals is vital. Even if it's just a small percentage of your income, over time, these savings will create opportunities to invest in assets that generate income. Once you've built up savings, consider investing in things like stocks, real estate, or other assets that fit your risk tolerance. You don't need to be an expert to begin. Start with small, manageable investments and learn as you go. As your investments grow, so will your wealth, without requiring more of your time or energy. By focusing on saving, budgeting, and investing, you're laying the groundwork for financial success while living a life that supports your lifestyle and aspirations.
Creating a business around your passions. One of the best ways to integrate your lifestyle with money-making opportunities is to start a business that reflects your interests. Whether it's a side hustle or a full-time venture, turning your passion into a business can lead to both financial gain and personal satisfaction. If you're passionate about something, be it photography, writing, cooking, or fitness, there are countless ways to turn that passion into a profitable business. For instance, if you love photography, you could offer services for events or create stock photos to sell online. If writing excites you, freelance writing, blogging, or self-publishing a book could provide new sources of income. These types of businesses allow you to stay connected to what you love while also earning money. Unlike traditional jobs, a passion-based business is flexible, which means it can fit into your lifestyle without forcing you to sacrifice other areas of your life. Start by identifying what you enjoy doing in your free time and explore how you can monetize that. Not only will this create new income streams, but it will also ensure that the work you're doing is aligned with your values, making it far more fulfilling. Time and energy management for financial success. Achieving financial success isn't just about making the right choices. It's also about managing your time and energy wisely. With so many demands on our time, it's easy to get distracted by activities that don't contribute to our financial goals. Instead, living with purpose involves organizing your day to prioritize what truly matters, which includes creating more opportunities for making money. The way you manage your time has a direct impact on how much you can achieve. If you want to make more money, you need to structure your day in a way that supports your goals. This doesn't mean working non-stop, but rather focusing your efforts on high-value activities. Start by setting clear goals. If you're balancing a job with a side business, allocate specific times during the week to work on your business. Even if it's just an hour or two each day, consistent effort will help your business grow. Additionally, identify and eliminate time-wasting activities. If you spend hours on unproductive tasks, you're missing out on time that could be better spent pursuing opportunities that align with your goals. For instance, instead of spending hours watching TV or browsing the internet, you could dedicate that time to learning a new skill or improving your business. Efficiently managing your time creates the space you need to earn money without feeling overwhelmed. Whether it's by pursuing a side hustle or making smarter decisions during the workday, small time management improvements can yield big returns. In addition to time management, energy management is crucial for success. When you're low on energy, it's difficult to stay motivated and productive. That's why it's essential to prioritize your health and well-being in order to maintain high levels of energy throughout the day. Make sure you're eating nourishing foods, exercising regularly, and getting enough sleep. When you're physically healthy, you'll have the stamina to tackle both work and business ventures. Additionally, mental health plays a major role in your productivity. Regular breaks, relaxation, and stress reduction techniques such as meditation can help maintain a clear, focused mind. Balancing your physical and mental well-being ensures that you have the energy necessary to pursue new opportunities, whether they're in your career, business, or personal life. One of the smartest ways to make money without sacrificing your lifestyle is by creating passive income streams. Passive income is money you earn from sources that require minimal effort once they are set up. This allows you to earn money without dedicating all of your time to work. Investing for passive income. Investing is one of the most common ways to generate passive income. While it does require an initial investment, the right investment can pay dividends over time. Whether it's through stocks, bonds, or real estate, passive income grows as your investments generate returns, allowing you to build wealth without actively working for it. Real estate is a popular passive income stream. By purchasing property, either to rent or sell later, you can generate rental income or capital gains when you sell the property. Similarly, investing in stocks and bonds can provide a steady flow of dividends or interest payments. While investing does come with some risk, it's an excellent way to build wealth over time, with little ongoing effort. The key is to start small, educate yourself, and gradually expand your portfolio. Creating passive income from a product or service. If you have a business idea that's scalable, creating a product or service that can be sold repeatedly is another way to earn passive income. For instance, if you're an expert in a certain field, you could create an online course or write an ebook. Once the product is created,
it can continue to generate income with little effort on your part. Another option is creating a subscription service for a product you believe in. By automating deliveries, billing, and customer service, you can create a business that generates recurring revenue with minimal maintenance. With the right product or service, you can earn money continuously without being tied to a traditional work schedule.
Collaborations. Networking for success. Building relationships with like-minded individuals can help you uncover new opportunities and increase your earning potential. Successful entrepreneurs often attribute their achievements to the partnerships and collaborations they've built along the way. Building valuable relationships. Networking doesn't have to mean attending formal events or meeting with industry leaders. It's about surrounding yourself with people who share similar goals and values. Connecting with others in your industry can open doors to new opportunities, collaborations, and partnerships that allow you to grow your business or expand your income streams. Take the time to attend events, engage in online communities, or simply reach out to others in your field. Offer help and advice, and be open to working with others. Through collaborations, you can combine expertise, resources, and networks, which can lead to more success.
Creating a wealth-building lifestyle without sacrificing happiness. At the end of the day, the goal is to create a lifestyle that supports both your personal fulfillment and your financial growth. Earning money doesn't have to come at the expense of happiness or well-being. By integrating your passions with smart financial strategies, you can live a life of abundance and joy, without burnout or stress. Design a life where your business, work, and personal time all contribute to your overall happiness. When you focus on living authentically, the money you make becomes a natural byproduct of a lifestyle that brings you fulfillment.
Thank you for your continued support. If you want more videos like this, don't forget to follow me on YouTube for new and motivational content. Your support means a lot to me and motivates me to bring more valuable content. Thank you for everything, and success in every step you take.